Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the setting of gesture of screen of gesture convenience tool to screen and motion. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. After you have been move on it, just click on this search bar and search for the screen of okay, where is the screen of gesture. It doesn't came here, so write this screen gesture. It also not came, so just write the gesture if it doesn't came. Okay, so here it has came gesture and motions. Here is the gesture convenience tool, gesture and motions, which you want. You can select from here. Okay, like if suppose you want to off the gestures, you can select from here the gestures and motion, here to gestures and motion. But this is the more important because this is the topic of gesture and motion. So just click on this gesture and motion. When you click on it, suppose you want to on or off the gesture motions, here is the screen of gestures. Okay, just move on the screen of gestures, and if you want to turn on this screen of gestures, you just need to click on this icon. Here the screen of gesture will be activated on your mobile phone, and if you want to off this screen of gesture, just click on this icon, it will be turned off. Okay, you can on and off like that. Okay, so just move on back, and here is the some settings. I'm just explaining about the some settings here. Okay, it says just swipe down with 3 fingers to take screenshot, and it has been enabled. Just swipe down 3 finger and the screenshot will be taken here. Okay, and when you off this one, the screenshot will not be taken. See, I do 3 times but it doesn't happen. So when you activate this one, it will be easily taken. This screenshot will be taken easily. Okay, and it says here the third one. Okay, touch and hold with 3 finger to take screenshot, and it has also enabled. So just touch and hold the finger and take this screenshot. You can crop it also. See, okay, and take it here. So when you off, I touch it. See, I touch for the 1 2 3 second, but it doesn't happen nothing. Okay, so when you enable this one, when I touch it 1 2 3 second, it has been the screenshot has been taken. Okay, you can take the screenshot like that. Okay, you can delete it too on the upside. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.